Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another awesome one. And today's YouTube video, guys, we're going to be discussing these proprietary trading firms. Guys, we're going to be talking about prop firms just like, for example, your FTMO and your My Forex Funds. So what we're going to do in today's video, guys, we're not just going to review those, but we're also additionally going to speak about what is a prop firm, who is a prop firm for, because that's another important thing that we need to touch on. And then guys, I'm going to give you guys my own experiences with these prop firms, because yes, I have been with FTMO and I have been with My Forex Funds. So in addition, we're going to review those prop firms. So let's run the intro and then we'll be back. So guys, today we're going to be talking about these prop firms. So let's get into things, guys. First of all, what is a proprietary trading firm? So all a prop firm is just a company or a business that then gives you as a trader capital to trade, and then you obviously have all of these legal agreements, like for example maybe what rules or restrictions you're going to have while you're trading for this prop firm. Or maybe even in addition, you might have, like for example, certain risk management criteria, or maybe even additional rules like you can't hold over the weekend or whatever the case is. But long story short, guys, all a proprietary trading firm is just a company that is looking for a trader to fund. So basically you are registering with them as a trader and you are trading their capital. Now how these prop firms basically work is that they obviously charge you a fee to either do their trial or to get an account or whatever the case is. So it's not like you're just applying based off your skill, but you need to put in the money and say that yes, I'm willing to give this amount because I actually do have the skill. So now let's talk about who these prop firms are for. First of all, guys, prop firms are not, absolutely not, prop firms are not for people that don't have a process, that are not sure how to trade, that are still learning, I guess, and developing their own processes, finding a way or something that's comfortable for them. Prop firms are absolutely not for beginners, guys. Prop firms are designed for people that already know how to trade, that are already comfortable, that have a process, but just lack the capital, that lack the size to be able to trade, I guess, profitably. So that's who prop firms are for, guys. Prop firms are not for people that are starting out. Now let's get into our review on these prop firms, guys. So we're gonna start off with FTMO. Let's start off with FTMO. So I'm gonna be reviewing this based off my own personal experience with them as a proprietary trading firm. And yeah, let's just give you guys some inside information. So to begin with, guys, I would say that the trial, or rather let's talk about the different accounts that these prop firms have. So with FTMO, obviously they give you, or rather FTMO is a little bit more structured than, I guess, My Forex Funds. So My Forex Funds accommodates more for the trader than FTMO does, and that's probably one of the reasons why I migrated from FTMO over to My Forex Funds, because it just personally makes a lot more sense to me. There's less restrictions, and more importantly, above anything, when you guys are actually looking for a prop firm to trade with, you want to find a prop firm that is not going to change anything about your processes, or that's not going to change anything about how you are trading as an individual. For example, if you're with a prop firm that doesn't allow you to trade through news, and maybe you're a fundamental trader, does FTMO make sense for you? Maybe, probably not, because FTMO changes something about you as a trader, the way that you trade. So you want to find a prop firm that does not change a thing about your own processes that you have as a trader. So FTMO, guys, has a lot of rules. So the trial is okay, I guess. The confirmation, the first trial, the second trial is okay. That's all well and being said. When it comes to withdrawals, guys, FTMO is kind of like a monthly thing. So if you're looking to be fast at those withdrawals and always have money, then FTMO is going to make you kind of wait, because they do their withdrawals every month or so, or whatever the case is. And in contrary, My Forex Funds, guys, on the other hand, they have weekly withdrawals and they also have bi-weekly withdrawals. So if, for example, you're taking that normal 10K and then whatever the case is, then you're going to have a bi-weekly, or rather, let's just say fortnightly, so every 2 weeks, then that's when your profit split is. But if you're like me and you're gonna take an accelerated account, and let me explain to you guys what this accelerated account is. So not obviously promoting my forex funds at all, but I do feel like it is an important thing to explain to you guys. So what this accelerated account is, let me explain to you guys in detail. All the accelerated account is you that believes that you are a profitable trader. You go to them and you pay obviously for their accelerated account. What the accelerated account is that it's an account that does not require you to start off with a trial first. So there are no trials involved. This is for someone that does not want to go through the trial but already is, I guess, a consistently profitable trader. So you basically just, instead of you as an individual opening, for example, let's just take the smallest account. So the smallest accelerated account is a 2K account. So for that 2K account, you're obviously going to pay $100. Now what you're doing is, instead of you depositing, think about it like this. Instead of you depositing your $100 into your own account and trading, what you're doing is you're depositing your $100 with My Forex Funds. And the agreement between you and My Forex Funds is that you have a maximum drawdown of $100. So all you can lose on that account is the $100 that you've deposited in. So that's what I'm saying. Think about it like you are basically depositing into your own account and you're basically trading on your own. Now what the agreement is that there's going to be a 50-50 profit split. So your profit target is $200. So basically when you get to your profit target, what they offer you is the opportunity to scale your account and get a bigger size. So maximum drawdown is 5%, obviously, which is the $100 of your 2K account that you initially deposited. And once you make 10% of the capital that you initially have, or rather 10% of the capital that they've given you to trade, then they give you the option to scale and to get a bigger account. So continuously you're going through this process of having that 5% maximum drawdown and then obviously that 10% profit target. And every time you hit that 10% profit target, they give you a bigger capital to trade. So what this accelerated account is about growth and about scaling. So instead of you trading your $100 and expecting to get your $100 to $5,000, what you can do is just go take your money to My Forex Funds, deposit it there, trade the account, and if you make $200 off that 2K account, then you go to 5K. Once you've made $500 from that 5K account, then you go onto a 10K account, and you keep on scaling every time you hit that 10% profit target. So like I was telling you guys, this account is structured for someone that is already profitable, that already has processes, and all they want is just the capital. Because yes, this has been the biggest realization of this year when it comes to me trading. Capital does make the difference, guys. It's very easy to blow those small accounts, and it's very easy to make a lot of money with those bigger size capital. I mean, still practicing the exact same risk to reward ratio. I mean, the exact same risk, still practicing the exact same risk management. So still risking 1% or 2%, but obviously the profits is now different. It's now, it looks nice. So to get into these proprietary trading firms, guys, should you be with a proprietary trading firm? My answer to that would be yes. If you are a profitable trader, if you are a trader that does have your processes but just lacks the capital, then proprietary trading firms are for you, because they give you the opportunity and they give you the exposure to capital. If you have the skill, then proprietary trading firms are for you, because they will expose you to the capital that is necessary for you to actually make that next step and be the trader that you want to be in your mind. So guys, we're done with this video. Hopefully this was kind of like a small, young, informative video. Hopefully you guys got my own personal experience as to who prop firms are for, what they're for, and where you should be really, honestly. Guys, if you are looking to get with these proprietary trading firms, hopefully you will find and you will see in the description the link to the My Forex Funds, because that is the proprietary trading firm that I am currently trading with on the daily, making those weekly withdrawals, because yes, I do use an accelerated account. And my personal experience, guys, I have not found a glitch. Every week, if I make that request for a withdrawal, I get my withdrawal. So in terms of just basically the whole processes and how my Forex Funds runs their thing, I personally feel that they're one of the best prop firms that are available right now. And even in terms of their flexibility with accounts and their rules and those types of things, they are much more lenient with you as a trader. And with that little bit of leniency that My Forex Funds has compared to FTMO, just that little bit of leniency allows me to function within my element. It does not change much about my trading. So that's what I love mostly about My Forex Funds. Guys, we've reached the end of the YouTube video. If you have received the value that was intended for you guys, definitely do drop this video a like. Otherwise, subscribe if it's your first time on the channel. All of you guys that actually watch until the end, I do appreciate you guys. Thanks so much. I'm T.Mayne, your FX Chasers mentor, and I will see you guys in our future videos. Enjoy the rest of your guys' trading week. Have a great one. Cheers.